Most cloudy headlights are just surface oxidation, and they can be improved with simple household materials. In this video, I'm going to try restore these cloudy headlights using a simple method that's been widely tested online. The top part is heavily oxidized, while the bottom is still a bit clearer. I've seen many claims that baking soda and vinegar can bring them back to life, so I decided to test it myself and show you the real results. For this I'll be using vinegar, baking soda, some glass cleaner, and a microfiber cloth. Let's bring this cloudy, oxidized headlight back to life. First step, I'm cleaning off the surface dirt with glass cleaner. Alright, now that it's clean, let's move on to the next step. Now I'm mixing baking soda with vinegar. As you can see, it starts to react and forms a paste we can use to clean the headlight. This simple mixture has a surprisingly cleaning reaction that helps break down surface buildup. With a cloth, I pick up the paste and start cleaning the headlight. Circular motions work best here. This part takes a bit of time, so let's speed it up. Already starting to look better. A bit more paste and some patience. Your headlight will thank you. It might be hard to see on camera, but it's already starting to look much better. Adding a bit more paste. As they say, third time's the charm, just the final touches. And soon we'll compare the result. That should do it, just cleaning off the headlight and wrapping things up. That's it, all done. As you can see, the top part of the headlight is no longer as cloudy. That was the main goal from the start. The headlight looks much more refreshed overall. And the best part, no special tools were needed. Just simple household items. So if your headlights ever get cloudy, you can try this yourself. It's quick, simple, and affordable. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more car tips.